Bishnoi. Welcome back to my channel, Model Rishika. So in today's video, we will see about light. Okay, so in the dark, you can't see any object without light. So light is also an important thing. Okay, so you are able to see objects around you during the day, but not dark night. Think what makes you to see things around you. Okay, if in the dark room you are going and off the lights. Okay, so you can't see any object. So the light is an important thing. So how we can see an object when we on the light? Okay, think if we have an object, like if we have an object book. Okay, or book. Okay, like this is the book. Okay, so if you have a book and when you are turning on the light and you are seeing that book, so how it is formed? Like the light will go through the object, it will touch the object, and then the object will reflect that light towards our eyes. Okay, so we can see that object and we can see that yes, it is a book, it is the apple or any object. Okay, and now we will learn the sources of light. So the sources of light are two. Okay, how many sources of light are there? Two sources of light. First source is man-made and second is natural. Okay, so there are the bulb, light, fireflies, some fishes like golden fish also can produce their light by own. Okay, they can also produce their light by their own. Okay, so like there are the types. Okay, like flies, you can see they produce their light. Goldfish, you can see they produce their light by their own. How? Their own. So that is a natural example, like goldfish, fireflies. Okay, so these are sun. Okay, sun is the biggest source of light, and sun, fireflies, these are the natural source. Okay, and man-made source are like that tube light or bulb. Okay, so these are natural sources. Sorry, man-made sources that man made that, and natural in the God made that thing. Okay, God made that light and firefly. So that is a natural example, and the man make the bulb, tube light. Okay, so these are the example for the artificial. Okay, these are the man-made. Okay, so this is man-made and natural. So you also understand the difference between man-made sources and natural sources. So now this thing is named. We will see about opaque object, transparent object and translucent object. We will see here three types of object. Okay, you can do this is type of activity and you can do it also. Okay, so opaque object. What is meant by opaque object? An object that covers light into it. He contains light. That thing contains light into it and reflect and not reflect. Okay, only and only he have the light on the object is covering. Okay, and behind that there is one dark patch. That object. If I put my hand, so you can see the shadow. Okay. So this is called as opaque object. Okay. Now we will know about the transparent object. What is transparent object? So the transparent object is that is full transparent. Like we can take a glass, and that glass should be transparent. Or we can take a polythene. Some polythenes are transparent also. So if you put a transparent glass, and front of that glass there is one source of light, a candle or a flashlight or a torch. Okay, so that is our transparent object. Okay, and you can see the light is traveling. It is not reflecting in the underside. It is going. Okay, it is going to in. Okay, so that is called as a transparent object. Okay, so any object which is not consuming its own light, the light can travel into it. Okay, so that is called as transparent object. Now we will see about translucent object. What translucent object? Now how it is a translucent object? Example of paper. That object that consume light also, that reflect the light also, and that make little bit shadow. Okay, little bit shadow also. So that is called as translucent object. Like example paper. You can put a paper and front of that any light source, and now see little bit shadow. It is reflecting also and consuming also, means three works it is doing. Okay, so that is called as translucent object. Okay, these are the three main objects to learn. Opaque object. What was that? Opaque object, transparent object, and translucent object. Now we will see how light travels in a straight line. Always a light can travel in a straight line, not like zigzag. Only and only in a straight line. Okay, like I will tell you an activity. Take three pieces of a cardboard. Okay, settle down on the table, and in that make holes on the three cardboard. Now put the stick in three cardboards. Okay, in three cardboards, and now if one cardboard and the second cardboard have 4 centimeter gap. So remember that all should have 4 centimeter gap. Okay. Now put a light source, like you can put the candle on the one end, and the second end see with your eyes from the second end, not from the first end. Okay, second end, and now you can see the candle flame here, but the candle flame is that side, but we can see the candle flame where we are seeing. So that is to tell that a line can travel in a straight line. But one more thing, if we pull the little bit cardboard piece, okay, front or back, and make 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So now you can see that you can't see the what? The candle. So that tells that a light travels in a straight line. So this activity meant that a light can travel in a straight line. If you like this video,